Adding windshield washer fluid. It's simple and easy. You can do it. This is windshield washer fluid I got at Walmart.
Pull the hood release.
Then you release the hood, put up the arm bar to hold the hood in place. Once that's up, locate the washer fluid reservoir. It's located right here. It has a blue top with the spray valve on it. And all you need to do is open up your washer fluid, remove, usually has a silver seal on it, could be any color. Just need to take that off. And I'm going to be filling up this reservoir. You just carefully pour it in. And try not to spill it or overfill the reservoir. As you can see, it's starting to fill up. And here it comes to the top. And you just stop. All full. Ready to go. Just reverse the process, put the hood back down. You're all set.